Hey, my name is Jake. I run a automation agency. I've been doing this for over 2 years now. I'm just new to Upwork, so that's why there's nothing on here. But I also coach a community of over 50 members. I host an AI workshop class on automations, 9:30 PST, and then we are also adding even more courses in here. But what I really want to show you here today is what I pulled from multiple clients, and this is basically a core function that you can go and sell to any local business owner. It's a B2C snapshot, so it's very generalized on the templates, and you can add and adjust off of these workflows in high level. And it has two voice agents, and you can pick or choose a chatbot, either using CloseBot or PointWise. We can always tap in N8N chatbot as well. But for very simplistic and ease of use, I've just gone with the third-party sources for the chatbots. That way anybody can really jump in, and it's simplified for what we're doing. At the end, I'll actually show you one of the clients that is currently running this, the last 31 days that they've been doing it. But here's the voice agent. So basically the end of call workflow is laid out like this. Is all inbound. So their GHL agent is inbound. This could be like a plumber, but other than that, it goes through, it has all of the core functions, whether they're qualified for an estimate, and you can go through and change these out, modify to the business for like hair appointment, complaint, general inquiry, call transfer, other. Then we also have the outbound agent, and I give you two choices. So we can either do retail or VAPI. Either one works. All the workflows are in here. So we have the trigger, normally set up with a form or a survey, and then that gets triggered to retail. And the same thing with VAPI, inbound, for the first trigger method. And then here's the outbound. So the outbound is consistent of whether it's an outbound call or a customer or client is calling that number directly. Then it goes through the inbound stage, and whether that's a voicemail, goes in voicemail, not in voicemail, appointment booked. It goes through the qualification process. If they need to follow up, which you can then add on to it and have it go through another automation to follow up with those clients as well. So if you do have a follow-up drip, or if we need to build it, we can do that. And inside of here, I'll show you quickly the VAPI system. It's the same thing, just tailored to VAPI. And then for the automation side of things, we have CloseBot. Basically goes through here. We can do the lead nurture, bot message, missed call, and we have other templates in there as well. And then the PointWise setup, which is simplified and just handles every social channel messaging. And here is one of the clients that we're currently working with. He last month has generated in June 2025 $71K, and that is all through organic. We haven't even touched paid ads yet, which we will be setting up. I hope this gave you a good little brief on what I'm able to do and what I can do for you, for either we need to implement this system or it's just an ease of use case to get your clients on. I'd love to help you out, and feel free to shoot me a message.